Hey, what's up guys, Pokemon Man here, back with another video. Got some booster packs to open up. I'll start with Cosmic Eclipse. Let's go with Psychic. Prim Pulp. Plop. Sorry about that. Ooh, there we go. I don't know if that's a good one or not. Let me know in the comments below, please. Torkoal. Alright, we got another Cosmic Eclipse. I can get it open. Let's go with water. Oh, got another Excadrill. Couple dollar card. Alright, Burning Shadow, or Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. Fire. Dynamo. Odish. Duskull. Redicate. Shinotic. Oh, I threw this one down. No, I did read that one. Psychic. Sandygast. Horsey. Electros. Alright, we got some evolutions. I got a couple packs of evolutions here. Hopefully we pull something big, huh? That would be sweet. Let's just look. Oh, what did we get? Dragonite EX. I have no idea if that is a good card or not. Please comment below and let me know if it is, and if you have this card, you pulled this card or not. Oh, look what else I got. Holy cow. Secret Energy. Nice. Man, that was a good pack. Okay, let's put those down. We'll open the other one. Water. I guess it don't work that way with these ones. Alright, got some Sword and Shield. Water. Poke Kid. Heatmore. Stunfisk. Chinchou. Krogunk. Meowth. Meowth. Score Bunny, Sinistea, Evolution. Oh, what do we got here? Bikini V. Bikini V. Alright, another Sword and Shield to open up. Let's go with fire. Ah. Twatty. Score Bunny. Silicobra. Yamper. Groupie. Tough Ant. Muna. And Inteleon. Let's go with fire. Dead Trio. Switch. Sobble. Rhyhorn. Ooh. Wobbuffet V. I don't got that one. This has been a pretty good. I've had some pretty good pulls. This got one more copy of Sword Shield. My luck's been pretty good. Let's go with water. Manatee. Hammer. Switch. Flipbug. Rhyhorn. Nope, that's it. Let's take a look at what we got. So we got a Chew something, Baltoy, a Wobbuffet V, Muna, Inteleon, Evolution Instance, Visitini V, Kakuna, whatever that is, a Secret Energy Psychic, a Dragonite EX, Electros, Raticate, Exadrill, and Torkoal. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and comment below if you think I should do some more of these. Alright, have a good night.